Hey, good morning everybody. Today I'm going to come out here and fly my drone around a little bit, and what I'm going to try to do is, it's supposed to have a follow me mode in. I mean, it even says on the app, it says follow me, but I'm going to try it and see what it is and see how it works and if it does work, and I'm going to let you guys have a view of it. Also, I just wanted to point out one thing. I did buy this little battery backup. It's called a Flash Fish, and it's called a portable power station. And everything I use, the drones, the remotes, all the stuff I use are in links down below in the description. If you're interested in any of them, you can check them out. But if you're out flying your drone, one thing I found out that is my remote, it don't have replaceable batteries. It has a lithium-ion battery inside the remote, and you have to charge it as it goes down. And I've got 3 batteries for my drone, but this will not last for 3 batteries in my drone. So that's why I bring out the Flash Fish charger. So I can just plug in my charger, plug it into the remote, and let it charge for a little bit, and then I'm ready to go again. So without further ado, let's go out here and see how this thing does on the follow. See if it does follow. We're going to try it out. So I'm going to be recording with the drone, and I'm going to try to stay in the camera range when I go out here to see if it follows me around. So let me turn everything on and we'll go check that out. And one thing I want to mention that I don't really like is when you turn this on, the reason the battery goes down in your remote so fast sometimes is because it's charging your phone all the time. They don't have an option to turn that off. I hope DJI watches some of the videos of the guys that use and girls that use these and listen to that, because if our phone's fully charged and the battery lasts for 10 hours or whatever, you don't really need it to be charging through the battery through the remote. I hope they come up with a fix for that with one of the updates. So now I got my remote on, got my app on. I got to turn my drone on. Oh, there it's on. It's talking. The gimbal's setting. Okay, the gimbal's all set, and we'll put it over my pad. So now let's see, it's connecting. Let's see how many satellites we have. I'm looking. I'm trying to see how many satellites we have. So far it's nothing. It says takeoff permitted. Turned it on. Still waiting for satellites. It says no GPS.
The home point has been updated.
Fly with
Please check it on the map.
Now it's got some satellites, and it's found the home point. So now let me see. I'm gonna get it up.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Can you see it there? So now I'm gonna see if I can get into the settings here and do the follow mode. Let's just see if it's gonna work. All right, well, it stayed right with me. Can you see that? Now let's go out here and try a little bit more. If you guys have any information on the tracking and the follow mode, put a link to your video down below my description so I can learn more about it. I'm gonna go over by that tree. Now I'm gonna hit the home button.
Go home.
Go home. It's looking, it's turning, it's coming this way, because I haven't had good luck with return home. Okay, it's straight above head, overhead, it's straight up there. It's coming down. It says it's landing. It's landing slow. So it didn't end right on the pad, but at least it came back within 4 or 5 feet of the pad, which is better than it has been doing. So now I'm going to take it off. I haven't tried the sport speed because I'm just afraid to try it. But I'm going to try it now. I'm going to try sport speed.
Take off.
Okay, I hope you can see that. Can you see that? Switched over to sport speed. And now I'm gonna hit return home.
Go home.
Go home. It's up there.
Landing.
This is in sport mode. I don't know if that makes a difference on the landing or not. It's coming down. Let's see, area under aircraft unsuitable for landing. Well, it's the landing pad, so I don't know why that is.
Landing.
It didn't tell me that. It didn't stop and tell me that when I lost it in the tall grass the other day. Did you see that video? I was in a panic. I could not find my drone for over 30-45 minutes. Now I've only got a little bit of power left in that battery pack in that drone. So I'm going to try it a little bit more and see if it'll when the battery goes down, if we return home. I'm in a big enough field I can keep my eye on it, and the grass has been cut, so I think I can find it if it goes down.
Take off.
So we're going to turn it back on. I'm still in sport mode.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It goes. Looks like it's going to start raining pretty soon, so I'm going to have to get out of here. Let's see, the battery, it's still got a few minutes. I'm gonna let it just sit there and hover and see if I can get it to come back home on its own. See if I can find you. Okay, what's it saying here? It's saying low battery, return home promptly.
Go home.
Okay, so it's coming home. It says it's landing. I don't know if I've got it in frame or not. It's hard to see. The drone's white, the background's white. And it's going to miss the landing pad. It missed the landing pad by that much. Oh my goodness. Okay, that concludes our test flight for today. I hope you guys are entertained and learned something. But it's fun to get out here and fly the drone. And it's pretty much fail proof unless you're out somewhere where you can't keep an eye on it. But anyway, this is Harold. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another video for you soon. And I gotta go do some more research on the app for the drone to see how it do stuff that I've seen other people do, and I just don't know. Anyway, come back and see me. See you later. And I gotta pack all this stuff up.